What's up guys, Omni here. You guys know how it goes, another day, another video. Last night I tweeted I sleep. What recent news, topics, tweets, videos y'all want me to talk about tomorrow? Today is Friday, October 22nd, no sponsor for the day, so we're gonna jump right into the news. However, I do have a proposal for you guys. I give you Indi in a box. Here, I give you Indi. About 5 seconds of this little man, and in return you drop a like on the video. Okay, that's the exchange. I've already given you Indi. Drop the freaking like. Let's start off with some breaking news. PlayStation announced this morning that a new state of play is hitting your way next Wednesday, October 27th. That's a week from now, starting at 2 p.m. PT, 10 o'clock p.m. BST. What the hell is BST? And per the blog, it said this time out, we'll be focusing on announcement and updates for upcoming third-party releases headed to PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4. The show is looking to be about 20 minutes or so, and we'll share new looks at previously announced games, plus a few reveals from our partners around the world. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Obviously, I'll be streaming this on twitch.tv/InfernoOmni next week. So yeah, excited to see whatever they want to show us. Number 2, what you probably need to know in gaming news, Advance Wars 1 and 2. Probably one of my favorite games of all time. No cap, I played so many hours to this game in the old school. They made a remake of it, but apparently it's getting delayed. So instead of it coming out December 3rd before the holidays, unfortunately, it's coming out spring 2022. To me, personally, I don't care. They can take their time playing this game, Advance Wars. If this is one of those games that if you played it, you love it, you know what it's about. If you haven't played it, woof, you are in for a ride. So yeah, just a small delay for a game, upcoming game that a lot of people are looking forward to. Number 3, what you probably need to know in movies, they finally released a trailer for Uncharted, featuring your boy Tom Holland and Mark Wahlberg. This actually looks pretty good. Tom Holland and Mark Wahlberg are ready for an adventure in a new Uncharted trailer. I think I just said that. Also guys, huge news in gaming. Rockstar Games just tweeted this and said, Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition. They've finally are showing it and announcing it, and my god, it looks so good. This is not like a remake like, you know, like Super Mario Sunshine for the Nintendo Switch and you just literally play a direct port. No, they are going in on the graphics and making everything look so good. It's coming November 11th for PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, everyone. It's gonna be able to play it. Pre-order now. So yeah, if you guys haven't played Grand Theft Auto, or if you want to get back into it, I'd probably jump back into it. I've forgotten the storyline for a lot of it. So yeah, I might go back in here and play some more Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the Definitive Edition. Guys, I am so happy, okay? I cannot contain my happiness over this news, okay? Sai said, Concerned Ape, the creator of Stardew Valley, announced a new game, and I am so I want to play this game so bad. I wasn't ready. Concerned Ape said, please announce my new game, Concerned Ape's Haunted Chocolatier, in development, hashtag Haunted Chocolatier. Am I saying that right? I hope so. Oh my god. It looks like Stardew Valley. It's like the same graphics. It looks so good. Oh, it looks so good. You need ingredients to make chocolate. Pause. This is a pretty long trailer, but it's 2 minutes and 25 seconds long. I'm not going to play the entire thing, but the whole concept is that you are in a mansion and you run a chocolate factory. Like the origins of Willy Wonka the chocolate factory. But yeah, you run a chocolate factory. That's the premise. It's a haunted, I think it's a haunted house or something like that. And yeah, here's some more screenshots of the game. Here's the wintertime in the chocolate factory. Here's the factory itself. Here's I don't know, just somewhere on top of a cabin. Fire risk. Sorry if I'm sweaty. I've been at the furnace all morning. You guys have no idea. This is, if you haven't played Stardew Valley, then I guess you kind of confused about my hype, but Stardew Valley is definitely one of the best Nintendo Switch games that I've ever played. No cap and no exaggeration. It's a great game. It's a great relaxing game. It's a great time draining game. It's a great everything game. It's a very good game. There's a big reason why Concerned Ape is such a big deal. So the fact that he's coming out with a new game, I've been trying to find something to fill that void of Stardew Valley for a long time, and nothing quite hits it. You know, like I tried Animal Crossing, you know, like it didn't hit it. It didn't get me where I needed to get me. But now I'm excited for this to come out in the future. When this comes out, frame one, definitely playing it. So yeah, some nerd said Hisuin Zorua / Zoroark. I hope I'm saying that name. Zorua and Zoroark. Apparently normal ghost, which is the first of that type combo. That's right. If you guys don't know, Pokemon made this really cryptic video that looked like some guy got like murdered in the mountains or something like that like 2 days ago. And then they made this video here that said research update. Thank you for your reports, trainers. A few days ago, research uncovered some mysterious footage of the Hisuin region. Professor Oak looked through all of your findings and was able to restore the video. My boy Oak. Please take a look.
Pokemon? Is that a Growlithe? No, a Vulpix. No, not that either. The tip of its tail is red and swaying. I think it's turning this way.
You about to get murdered. You're dead.
It's adorable.
It's cute.
The white fur on top of its head and around its neck is so fluffy. Its eyes are round and yellow.
Uh-oh.
What's that?
He's dead. Oh, but it's so cute though. Oh my god. It looks so good. It kind of looks like a fairy type, actually. Oh well, he's dead. Rest in rip. Pokemon said one of the Pokemon captured in this footage seems scary, but it may be displaying a protective side as well. What do you think we've discovered, trainers? I think we just discovered a body. A body has been discovered. Anyway, that's pretty cool. A new typing in Pokemon is usually rare these days. Normal/ghost means that they are 2 times weak to dark. So you know, they get bit, someone uses bite, they die. But otherwise, I think normal and ghost is actually pretty strong. They have a lot of resistances from what I understand. So yeah, I'm excited to play some Pokemon Legends Arceus. This is going to be really hype. I can't wait to play it. So 7 Skeptic said Valkyrae update plus removing 100 thieves reflect from her bio. If you guys don't know, there was some drama with Valkyrae. I think we talked about this yesterday or the day before. She came out with some skincare, and apparently this skincare was supposed to protect against the blue light that comes from your computer screens. However, people are calling it snake oil because apparently the blue light that comes from computer screens is so minuscule in the material that you can walk outside for 5 minutes and it would be equal to staring at a computer screen for like 30 days or a month. Basically, it wasn't supposed to be something that was that effective, so people were basically saying that this was a scam. So as of late yesterday, Valkyrae made this in response.
Hello, I just wanted to give a quick update, even though I'm probably not allowed to do this, but it's been a very long 2 days. But I've been waiting to speak and to stream until after I see how the Reflect website has been updated. I also wanted to say that all of the hate and the doubt and the concerns and the criticism are all warranted and valid. I understand completely where you're all coming from. I also was very upset and confused when I saw the website and there were no links to the studies or credits to the labs or the people that worked behind the scenes to make Reflect happen. So yeah, it's very confusing, lacking a lot of information, but they're updating it now, and after it's updated I will stream and I will answer everything and I will talk about my experience and all of it later. So yeah, just want to give an update.
Okay, there it is. Not sure why she's confused. I'm pretty sure she was able to see the website before it launched, so I don't think there's any confusion. Maybe just the fact that there wasn't enough information, because if you guys don't know, if you actually went to the website, I don't even know if the website is still up for Reflect. There was a lot of notes that basically said things like, hey, all the information that we're giving is it might be inaccurate, it's not full, we take no full responsibility for it. And it linked to a WebMD link, which people were like, why would you use WebMD as a source, because WebMD sucks. So she's saying that there's more. She's saying it's been tested. She's saying that there's actual more research that's been done in place, or I think she actually mentioned scientists or something like that. I don't know. But this is Valkyrae responding, and then eventually there's going to be, I guess, maybe a relaunch or a clarification on the product. And then Valkyrae is going to take to the stream, answer questions, address, I guess, what she's been going through. This kind of sucks. Feel bad for her, you know? Like, some people, there's 2 sides of the story. There's some people who feel like she's like money hungry, power hungry, you know, and she's just trying to take advantage of 12-year-old kids, like this evil villain route. And then there's some people who think that, yeah, she was trying to launch a product and maybe she was working with some people that she shouldn't have worked with. Maybe maybe she was a little bit too naive. I'm not sure. Apparently, though, people have been commenting about her Twitter profile because in her Twitter profile, not only did she remove the reflect tag there, it says, hi, I'm a creator streamer on YouTube. She also removed the fact that she's a member of 100 Thieves. Some people were speculating, does that mean like she got suspended, or does this mean that she's not a part of 100 Thieves? I don't think that's the case. They still follow each other. Some people believe that maybe she's just kind of like removing that to distance herself from the brand so that it doesn't become tarnished. I'm not 100% certain why. Your guess is my guess, but that's basically the case, and people are speculating as to why. Something on my lip, isn't there? Jesus, why didn't you guys tell me? But yeah, guys, that's the whole Valkyrae situation, the update. I'll let you guys know if there's any more updates going forward, what she eventually says, what they start streaming, what Reflect eventually says. Let me know how you guys feel about the situation. It seems like a lot of people were upset. A lot of people do not believe in this product. And then there's a lot of people who are upset that a lot of her friends and influencers and streamers and are basically, saying like, yes, get the skincare. Like they're shilling it, basically. And people feel like, wow, you can't really trust these influencers. It sucks. I don't know Valkyrae's intention. I don't know what she was trying to sell. I don't feel like she was trying to be harmful, but I mean, I don't know her as well. I honestly look at the best in people, and especially with somebody like Valkyrae, where I haven't seen her do anything wrong. So I just suspect that this was just, I don't know how this slips through the cracks either. She's too big for this situation to slip through the cracks, not having someone review this and be like, yo, is this kind of like facts or not? But it is what it is. Let me know how you guys feel. All right, some tragic news, a tragic ending to a tragic and dark story. Wolf Phoenix said Brian Laundrie has been confirmed dead. There's been this entire case about a missing person. Her name was Gabby Petito. May she rest in peace. And she disappeared while she was on a trail or a hike with her boyfriend at the time, Brian Laundrie. They all went back in, and she didn't come out. Apparently, Brian Laundrie has been on the run. And from what I understand, the parents led them to finding some of his remains, ironically. Some people feel like perhaps the parents already knew because he may have already visited his parents before he went missing. And yeah, this article here says, Justin, the FBI has confirmed the remains found in Florida Nature Reserve are those of Brian Laundrie, the fiance of Gabby Petito. Laundrie went missing last month. The CNN article said that it was the skeletal remains, and clothing was found as well, and that the dental records of the remains, I guess the skeleton structure, was that of a match of Brian Laundrie. One of the conspiracy theories here is the fact that Brian Laundrie's parents were on the scene when remains were found, so people were finding kind of sketchy that they were the ones that basically, located their kid. Laundrie's family had declined to talk publicly following legal advice, but they had been directed authorities to where they believed Laundrie may be staying in the reserve, Bertolino said. The parents joined in the search Wednesday morning and found a bag belonging to their son at the park, which the attorney described as, quote, happenstance, or I guess coincidental. As this is still an ongoing investigation, people are still trying to figure out the exact what exactly happened here, how he was able to get away for so long. Apparently they found a notebook that might give more information about the case. They're also going to probably update soon about the cause of death here. So yeah, just absolutely insane, wild story that people have been watching this kind of like a true crime detective thing. Conspiracy theories everywhere, people trying to figure this out. I wouldn't be surprised if this whole thing got turned into a Netflix controversy story later. It's big, and the entire United States is trying to figure out and piece all this stuff together. People making up their own stories. I'm not going to jump to any conclusions because it can go either way. I don't know what occurred here specifically. I just know that really tragic tale, really tragic ending, and rest in peace, Gabby. All right, this one's really sad. A lot of you guys asked me want to talk about this. This came and popped up. Alec Baldwin fired the prompt gun that killed cinematographer Helena Hutchins and injured another crew member on the set of Rust. If you guys don't know Alec Baldwin, you've seen him. He's a comedian slash actor. He's on SNL all the time. He was doing a movie called Rust that he was actually producing. And it sounds like that there was a prop gun. There was a gun, and it was loaded. It had a bullet, and he shot it. And I don't know the context quite yet, but he accidentally killed someone. I guess that's considered manslaughter. And the other crew member I think that was hurt was a producer or somebody else on the set. Somebody else that was really important, a director, I believe. But yeah, he accidentally took somebody's life, and that's absolutely heartbreaking. This conversation sparked a debate about Brandon Lee. If you guys don't know, you guys know Bruce Lee, the legend, who, you know, starred in a lot of films and was incredibly stupid strong and, you know, popular. Yeah, his son died the exact same way. Brandon Lee, with a, you know, prop gun discharging in a set and killing him. So people were now saying, like, did we not learn anything? Or I don't know. That's what people were correlating this story to. It says here, no one was arrested in the incident and no charges have been filed, the office said. Detectives were interviewing witnesses and the incident remains under an open and active investigation. According to the sheriff's office, Baldwin's reps did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Hutchinson's death was confirmed by the sheriff's office. Also of note of this article, it said here, however, the sheriff's office indicated that it was too soon to say what type of round was involved. The office also did not use the word, quote, accident, leaving the determination up to investigators. So yeah, more tragedy. That really sucks. Rest in peace, Helena Hutchins. Like, that's no way that no one ever wants to go. And for Alec Baldwin, just, you know, assuming that this was an accident, just assuming that he doesn't want to just murder somebody on a freaking movie set, that's gotta be pretty heavy. This guy has been in the industry for a very, very long time, and for this to happen on a movie that he was producing, probably, obviously nothing, you know, compared to Helena Hutchins, but that'll probably, you know, haunt him for the rest of his life. So yeah. But all right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. Go enjoy your weekend, okay? Unless there's any big news coming up this weekend, I probably won't be uploading until next Monday. I'm trying to make it a Monday through Friday type segment, but, you know, if something crazy happens, or if I just feel like making a new type of video, you'll probably catch something on the weekend. So keep your notifications on, hit that bell button if you haven't already. Drop a like if you didn't already, because we already made the trade, okay? I showed you Indi. I showed you my Indi, okay? What more? Please respond. All right, guys, I'll see y'all later. I've had a really fun week with y'all. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Take it easy. Brush your teeth. Drink your water. Floss. You know the drill. All right, go ahead and do it. All right, peace.